This is a 2016 Acura RLX. This is a car that belongs to my mother, and I'm out here cruising it on a dirt road path outside her house. I'll have to clean it up before I give it back to her, but it seemed like a good place to get a couple pictures here. She's had this car for about a year and a half now, and she's a multi-Acura owner in the past. Mom went from a 1990 Integra GS Sedan back in 1996 all the way through the ranks. She's had a couple of Legends. She had a first gen TL. She had a prior 2000 RL before this, which I now have in my possession. And she's also deflected to other brands in the past. She drove a Jeep Grand Cherokee for a while, and even a Volkswagen EOS and a Lexus GS 430. So she sampled some other things, but she came back to the Acura brand after all that. This car is not super tidy inside because I've got some clutter in it, but it is very well kept for 40,000 miles on it. This is not equipped with all-wheel drive. So this is the PAWS model, which stands for Precision All-Wheel Steering. You'll see the emblem here lovingly referred to as PAWS, even though Acura I don't think likes you to call it that. Super cool car, and it has served her so well so far. Here's a quick introduction, since I talk about her a little bit on the channel, and she's sort of the Acura inspiration. There's Mom.
I'm shy.
Say hello to the YouTube community. She's not shy.
Hey, YouTube community.
Yeah,
I'm part of you.
Right? Yeah, she is a subscriber, and she's gonna head out to an appointment, but just wanted to give you a quick chance. Any final words of wisdom?
From me? Words of wisdom? Buy and drive Acura, and follow Tyson on the YouTube channel.
Appreciate it. Okay, thanks for tuning in.
See ya.
Bye. This will be just a quick glimpse at how dedicated my mom is to something, not just her car, but look at these running medals. This is in her exercise room here at her house, but everything on the wall, that one and this one, these are all awards from competitive running events that she's participated in for about the last 23 or 25 years. Pretty crazy, and now you see why every time we run a race, she beats me to the finish line.